Hello and welcome to Swift Education. My name is Hilary. Today we're going to create pie charts in Excel. Have you been creating boring, dull colors and unattractive pie charts? Today we're going to learn how to create appealing and attractive Gantt charts, and you can add your creativity in it. So welcome. Please remember to like, to share and to subscribe. Welcome to today's session. Let's start. For example, pie charts are supposed to create values that add up to 100%. So in everything that you do, remember that we have to the total value has to be 100%. So for example, if we have, let's say you have levels, this will be the percentages. Level A, let's say if level A has 45%, and if it's only two levels, then we have a total. This will be 100%. Then this will be equals to this minus this. That gives you 55. So if it's a two-level task, it will have A and B, and if A is 45, then B will automatically be 55. Assuming that we have more levels, insert. So let's say this has 25 and this has 10. So let this be B, and this one let it be C, and this one let it be D. So that's what we have. So the total will be, let's do the sum. This one will be 100%. Obviously these will be 100%. So this one will be 45 plus 25 plus 10 is 75. So this is 25%. Okay, so when creating a pie chart, what we'll do is go to Insert, select the charts, and select the 2D pie chart. So let's do that. Then we'll add data. So I'll right click and click select data, and I'll click add. The series name is levels. The series values are the percentages that we have from 45 to 25. Then click OK. Then the horizontal axis or the category, let's edit and insert these values, then click OK. So this is what we have as our pie chart. Then we can add data labels and let them be at the center. So this is the default of creating a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Unfortunately, these colors are boring, they're not attractive. So there are other functions that you can represent these in Excel. So what we're going to do next, we're going to insert, and we're going to use a donut chart. So this is how a donut chart will look like. Then select data and add. The series name is levels. The series values are 45 to 25. Then click OK. Then edit this to have all this. Then click OK. Then OK. So this one seems better. Then we add the data labels. Yeah, we have the data labels. So this one is more aesthetic than the previous pie chart. This one is a donut chart and this is a pie chart. Thank you. So we're going to create a more presentable donut chart with values that are interesting or appealing to look at as a business person or any person that you're looking at a progress or the movement of values that you need. So we're going to create the next donut chart. Please watch the next video in this series. Thank you and welcome.